Master Analyses for IELTS. Boost your band score. Are you preparing for the IELTS test and aiming for a band score of 5.5 or higher? Then you need to know how to use the word analyze correctly. This essential word can help you express your ideas clearly in both the writing and speaking sections of the test. Word type. Analyze is a verb. Remember, in British English, it is spelled A-N-A-L-I-S-A, while in American English, it is spelled A-N-A-L-Y-Z-E-E. Meaning, to analyze means to examine something in detail to understand it better or explain it. It involves breaking down complex information into smaller parts to study it carefully. Word history. The word analyze comes from Greek origins, specifically from the word analuin, which means to break up or loosen. Antonyms. Some opposites of analyze include synthesize, combine, or generalize. Synonyms. Words with similar meanings to analyze include examine, investigate, study, or evaluate. Examples used in sentences. Here are 3 sentences that show how to use analyze in context. First, in the IELTS Writing Task 1, you need to analyze the data presented in graphs or charts. Second, scientists often analyze blood samples to diagnose diseases. Third, before making a decision, it is important to analyze all the available options. Common errors in use. Be careful not to confuse analyze with analyze. Remember, analyze is the British spelling, while analyze is the American spelling. Both are correct, but be consistent in your usage throughout your IELTS test. Another common mistake is using analysis as a noun. The noun form is analysis. For example, you would say the analysis of the data was completed rather than the analysis of the data was completed. To improve your IELTS score, practice using analysis in your own sentences. Try to incorporate it into your writing and speaking exercises. Remember, understanding and correctly using words like analyze can help you express your ideas more clearly and precisely in the IELTS test, potentially boosting your band score.